In today's economic landscape, rising inflation has become a major concern for most people. It's really no joke. But did you know that owning a home can actually help protect you from inflation? I understand that many people would love to become homeowners, but they might think that they just can't buy a house because of rates or because house values are high. It's true, some people just aren't going to qualify, but I can tell you from experience over the past 28 years, a lot of people that think they can't buy a house actually can buy a house. They just never look into it. But it does take decent credit and job security, but it's not as hard as a lot of people think. Well, that's what I want to talk about today. Number one, homeownership offers stability and security. Did you know that Oregon just announced here just this week that the max rent increase for 2023 this year is 14.6%. If you do the math, that means that your $1,500 a month rental could potentially increase by about $220 a month. A fixed rate mortgage guarantees that your principal and interest payment won't change over the life of the loan, whether that's 15 or 30 years. Number two, yes, home prices are up, but you can use home price appreciation to your benefit. Yes, rising rates and higher prices have made it a little more challenging, a little bit more expensive to go out and buy a house than it has been the last couple of years. Unfortunately, though, the media and the negative talking heads out there online have people in this mode of waiting to see. And so what are they waiting to see about? Well, they're waiting to see, well, rates come down or prices are going to come down. Is the market going to crash? And how am I going to get a better deal on a house? It's hard to say what rates are going to do, but it's almost certain that home prices are not going to go down. In fact, history tells us that just the opposite happens. Home prices traditionally go up, not go backwards. And in inflationary times, it's really important to invest your money in assets that are going to appreciate traditionally in value, not depreciate. Number three, homeownership builds wealth and financial security. According to Melissa Dittman of National Association of Realtors, the NAR, homeownership wealth is 40 times higher than the average wealth of renters on average. So homeownership provides long-term advantages, wealth building, and financial security. Each mortgage payment you make contributes to your equity. That's as you pay down your mortgage, your equity grows. It's just simple math. There are also some pretty great tax advantages to homeownership. Now, I'm not a CPA or tax professional, but I know that in Oregon, the state I live, they provide some pretty great tax incentives to encourage homeownership. Also, you may not know that you can deduct the mortgage interest and the property taxes from your annual income tax. It's another perk of homeownership. And if you live in the home, you say you want to sell the place, you live in the home, 2 out of the last 5 years, you can sell it and exclude all or some of the profit from your taxable income as long as it was your primary residence. Again, talk to your tax professional for all the details about this kind of stuff. And number 5, in addition to the wealth building potential of homeownership, real estate also offers diversification benefits and can be a strategic part of your investment portfolio, real estate investing. Owning real estate provides an exposure to a different asset class, which has its own unique risk and return characteristics compared to traditional investments like stocks and bonds and things like that. I believe including real estate in your investment portfolio can help diversify the risk and enhance your overall portfolio performance. Historically, real estate has shown a low correlation with other asset classes, basically meaning that its performance isn't necessarily tied to the fluctuations of the stock market and other investments. This can be especially good during volatile or rocky economic times like we might be seeing now, right? And for first-time home buyers, while homeownership offers many advantages and helps you to combat that inflation like we've been talking about on this video, build wealth, and all those kind of things, it's really important to really know your situation before running out and buying a house. Take into consideration things like your financial readiness, your job situation, your long-term plans, as well as the local housing market conditions. I can help you with that one if you just want to shoot me a direct message, happy to talk to you about it. Also, it's really important that you work with a knowledgeable real estate and mortgage professional. Again, if you need a lender recommendation, not sure really who to talk to, shoot me a message. I'll be happy to give you my top 3 recommendations so they can get you steered in the right direction. Owning a home does require some ongoing maintenance, repair costs, and some commitment, so it's definitely important to think through it. Bottom line, inflation poses a significant challenge to individuals and families. We're all feeling that right now, but homeownership helps by shielding you from some of that, kind of protects you from some of the effects of inflation by stabilizing costs, security, tax incentives, and long-term financial benefits. If you're ready to take the plunge, you want to get into homeownership, you want to see what it's all about, step 1 is to give me a call. I'm here to help, and I'd love to talk with you about it. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.